Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. On today's video, I'm going to be interviewing my friend Matt.
What's happening, my friends?
So pretty much he's a beat maker. He's been doing beats for around a year or so, right?
Pretty much a year at this point.
Yeah, so pretty much I want to get some information on what it takes to make beats. Obviously I have no experience with beats, but I kind of want to get some tips and tricks on...
That's what I'm here for. Teach this bozo.
Teach us how to make some beats. So in today's video, he's going to be actually trying out to make a lo-fi beat. And then afterwards, I'll be trying to make my own lo-fi beat. Obviously, I don't know how to do any of this stuff, so it's just going to be like try and error to see if I can make something.
So, yeah, we're both going to learn something from this because I've never done a lo-fi beat before. We'll just see how it goes.
So after the video, you can check out the beats down in the description, and you could tell us which one you like better.
That's what's about to happen right now.
Yeah, so pretty much stick around, watch till the end, and let's get down to business.
So, I'm just trying to I'm not dragging in random sounds. I just want to actually pick the right sounds that you would hear in a lo-fi beat.
So pretty much what ended up happening was that for the next hour or two, I just watched my friend as he developed the lo-fi beat. I wasn't really sure what he was doing. I just kind of wanted to get an idea for all the steps, so when I created my own beat. But one thing I did notice was that it's really, really difficult to actually make a beat. I thought it was something simple as just putting sounds together and eventually creating something that worked. But there's a lot of detail that goes into every single component that he added. I got no idea what he's doing. So there we have it. Now we're gonna try to create our own beat.
No, it's gonna be just him. This has to be you. Only you.
Only me.
But I can show you what to do. You just have to think of what you if you hear something, think of what you would imagine. If it was a regular song, what are some sounds that are supposed to be in it, in your eyes? Because there's no right or wrong way to do it.
Yeah.
But it's just a way of you should try to make it sound good, and that you like it, and then you think that other people will like.
All right, so let's get started with it.
No, just leave. Just get out. Just get out. I'm just kidding. All right. FL Studio. This is the software I make beats on. Now, loops. I don't even make my own melodies. I just get the loops, put them in here, and I just add shit to it. And I learned a couple of things along the years. On YouTube, I watch other people do it. Doing beats on this software. We're just gonna play it out. Now in your head, what do you think comes first? When it's about when it gets to here and shit, what do you expect to hear? To drop first do you hear a clap? Do you hear a snap? Do you hear just shit? Don't overthink it. It should just come to you. It could be anything.
Can I just click random things?
Yeah,
and
you
eventually
can.
just see what works?
Yeah. So already right there, that sound could fit that loop. It could.
A few minutes later.
All right, so if I like that,
Have it repeated and stuff like that. Okay.
Hey!
So far, this is what Ozzy has made by himself. I just gave him pointers, ideas on what to do. This is what he came up with.
Essentially, I
spin that shit, DJ. No, I'm just kidding. Oh shit!
Why does it sound so bad?
Bro, it sounded good when we were actually playing it, but now like playing it, like no. Oh shit!
So that's pretty much what I was able to get
No,
done.
I swear, like when we were making it, when you were making it, like we were repeating it, and like it sounds pretty good.
It sounded good. I think the system messed something up.
This is all right. Another thing, what I told you to do is, well, not do, but like another thing I wanted you to know is sound selection. That's why sound selection is important. It kind of just sounds like it just dragged a bunch of sounds in without even thinking if it would sound good.
I only saw I needed to do a kick, a clap, whatever other things.
You can do anything to that shit.
I just put a bunch of random sounds essentially.
I don't know what came across your mind to actually fucking do that shit.
Just listen to
Fuck
this
it, that's
part.
just a banger. We're gonna call it a banger. That's what?
Just like that, I'm gonna be the next lo-fi artist. So make sure to download the beat, follow my SoundCloud, and
the next low ass fucking beat. That shit cheeks.
You ready for it one more time?
No.
Ooh, that's it. We're going to make big now.
I didn't teach you how to make this. You did this on your own. I didn't tell you anything.
Essentially, what I learned today is that making beats is not that easy. There's a lot of things that you need to think about when you're actually creating the beat, you know. It's not just about dragging random sounds. It's also about like seeing how those sounds connect with each other. So
there's different ways to do it. You don't even have to drag any sounds. People have like these MIDI keyboards, you know, the little tiny keyboards. They just actually like play them instead of actually dragging them in. But as you can see, I don't have one.
So for people out there trying to like get into creating music, do you have any recommendations or tips to tell them?
I've only been doing this shit for a year. I don't even consider myself like good enough to teach anybody, because sometimes I even need lessons on my own. But if there is one thing, when you're starting off, please keep everything simple. Choose the right sounds. Take your time with it. There's no like fucking right or wrong way to do it. You just gotta make it sound good. That's it. Literally. Have all the sounds complement each other.
Yep.
And that's pretty much it. Well, there's a lot more to it, but that's just the basis of like you're starting off.
Yeah, so that was pretty much just an introduction on how what it takes to actually make music. So for all of you out there who are trying to make music or beats, just go ahead, do it. Let your imagination create some sick ass beats.
Don't be sucking dick. Do music.
And become one of those SoundCloud rappers. Make sure to check out my link below. I'll be the next.
He's gonna be streaming on Twitch.
I'll be streaming on Twitch how to make some beats.
He's gonna. Oh yeah, check out his OnlyFans too.
My OnlyFans. And make sure to check out my friends. I don't know what you have.
I don't know.
He has nothing.
We'll figure it out. We'll just put it in the description or some shit.
Alright, so make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment down below.
Don't subscribe. No, just
Don't subscribe to him, subscribe to me.